Hello everyone, my name is Eric Lough and I am your ACPN Chairman, and I'm here to share a really special announcement with you. And that announcement is the launch of our very first digital platform called the Pipeline. So what is the Pipeline? The Pipeline is your go-to resource for digital content from thought leaders both inside and outside of our industry. And you see, the Pipeline came out of last year's ACPN conference. When we closed the conference, we as a committee thought to ourselves, we really should be connecting with our community more than once a year. We really should be connecting with you all year long. And the Pipeline was just the platform to do so. So I want to invite you all to join us in checking out all of the rich content in the Pipeline, which can be found on the AutoCare Digital Hub. And if you have an idea for some content or would like to share some content, you can reach us at acpn@autocare.org. I want to thank you, and I hope you all enjoy the content.